Hey Omar, what's that?
Hey Elvis, my dad brought this mix and match game for me.
Why don't you open it to see what's inside? Subject and predicate. It's interesting.
But I don't know how to play it.
Don't worry, I will help you out. This box contains the subject parts and this box contains the predicate parts. Match each subject to its respective predicate to get a complete sentence. Subject and predicate are two parts of a sentence. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. The subject is the doer of the action. The predicate is the action itself. A subject has a noun or a pronoun. The predicate always has a verb. Remember, when you ask who or what to the verb in the sentence, you get the subject of the sentence. Let us now pick out the subject and the predicate from a few sentences. Samantha eats ice cream for dessert. Here, the verb is eats. When we ask who eats, we get the answer Samantha. So, Samantha is the subject, and the rest of the part is the predicate. Mike and George played in the mud. I built a sandcastle at the beach. Sometimes finding the subject can be a bit tricky. You know why? The subject changes place when we make a question. In these two sentences, the subject she changes place when a question is asked. The subject can come after the predicate. For example, orange is my favorite color. My favorite color is orange. Omar, now that we know well what a subject and a predicate are, let's play this mix and match game.
Yes, this is fun.
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.